Alright. Now you can also generate the contours from the this digital elevation mode. Now you can select the create contour and click on this tool. Now here you can see that this is the contour interval. Like it will generate the contour on every 100-meter interval. So you can also change the unit from here, and it will also generate major contours and minor contours. It will generate major contour after every three contours. The fourth one will be the major contour, and every second contour will be the minor contour. So, and here you can see that the generate contours within the following range of elevation. The minimum elevation is 122 meter and the maximum is 3000 meter, 3025 meter. So by default they have picked the low and high elevation. So in here you can also change it into feet. It will automatically convert from meter to feet to decimeters. So I will change it again to the meters. Change other option by default and click OK. You can also create the contour bounds, like for example I just want to create the contour within this bound in this area, so click OK, and the contour will be only generated in this box. So for now I will leave it and I will click OK. Now the contour has been generated. I will uncheck the digital elevation model and I will zoom in so I can see the different contour. The contour has been labeled, as well as you can see the major contour. This is the major contour and the minor contours. So actually 1, 2, 3 and the fourth one is the major contour, or 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth one is the major contour. So you can also export the contours, like you can right click on the contours, or you can select it and allow the export feature selected. This has been selected, so now go to the uncheck all of the layers and accept the contours. Now go to the files and export vector format. This is actually vector, so I will create select shape file for it, and now click OK and export line, and now you can save it here. So I will leave it for now. Now you can also change the contour color. For this I will right click on it and I will go to the options. Now you can also change the labels, or you can also label it on different other field. Like here the fields are available: elevation, close controls. The close control have the elevation data, so I will select it, but for now I will use the feature layer by default. Now elevation, the elevation is in meter. The layer projection, you can also change the layer projection. So it's by default in the WGS 1984. You can change it. And you can then when you can finish your changes, you can then apply and then OK. We can also change the line style as well. Same, you can also change use same style for all feature. Select style I will select the style. It's actually the solid, and I will change the color for all of the contour lines like this. I will select the green color. Now click OK, and now apply it. So all of the contours will be converted into the green. The color will be converted into green. So you can also change use the same style for all features, or you can use by default and click OK, apply. I like it, I will apply like this one. So I don't need to generate another style for it. Now click OK. You can also export the contours from in the map format or in the layout. For that, I have already uploaded the video on how to export your map from Global Mapper. Go to my YouTube channel Jusoft Pro and you will find that video as well. I will also put the link within the description below.